Ever stared at a forex chart, feeling like you're deciphering an ancient language? You're not alone. Millions of traders worldwide rely on powerful tools to navigate the complex world of currency exchange. And chances are, you've heard of TradingView. But the burning question on every new trader's mind is, can you actually use TradingView for forex without spending a dime? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll break down the free features TradingView offers specifically for forex traders, explore any limitations you might encounter, and ultimately help you decide if the free version is enough to kickstart your trading journey. First things first, the good news. Yes, TradingView offers a robust free plan that is absolutely usable for forex trading. You don't need to shell out any cash to access a wealth of valuable tools and data. So, what exactly do you get in the free version? Let's talk charts. TradingView's charting capabilities are a major draw, and even with the free plan, you get access to incredibly detailed and customizable charts. You can choose from various chart types like candlestick, line, bar, and Heikin-Ashi, allowing you to visualize price action in a way that suits your trading style. Beyond basic charting, the free plan also provides a wide array of technical indicators. Think of these as your analytical sidekicks, helping you identify potential trends, momentum shifts, and overbought or oversold conditions. You'll find classics like moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, MACD, moving average convergence divergence, Bollinger Bands, and many more, all readily available to overlay on your forex charts. This allows you to conduct thorough technical analysis without needing any external software. Furthermore, the free version grants you access to real-time price feeds for a vast number of forex pairs. Whether you're interested in major pairs like euro to US dollar, pound sterling to Japanese yen, or even some of the more exotic crosses, you'll be able to see live price movements, crucial for making timely trading decisions. Another fantastic free feature is TradingView's paper trading account. This is essentially a simulated trading environment where you can practice trading with virtual money. It's an invaluable tool for beginners to get a feel for the forex market, test out different strategies, and learn how to use TradingView's interface without risking any real capital. Think of it as your personal forex sandbox. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations of the free plan. One key restriction is the number of indicators you can have on a single chart simultaneously. Free users are typically limited to a few indicators at once. While this might be sufficient for simpler strategies, more complex analyses might require upgrading to a paid plan. Additionally, free users have a limited number of saved chart layouts. If you like to analyze multiple currency pairs with different sets of indicators and timeframes, you might find yourself needing more than the free plan offers. Another point to consider is the frequency of price alerts. While you do get access to alerts on the free plan, the number you can set simultaneously is limited. For active traders who rely heavily on timely notifications of price movements, this could be a constraint. Finally, the free version does include advertisements within the platform. While generally not intrusive, they are present and might occasionally disrupt your workflow. So, is TradingView free for forex? Absolutely. The free plan provides a powerful suite of tools that can be incredibly beneficial for new and even some experienced forex traders. You get access to real-time data, comprehensive charting, a wide range of technical indicators, and a paper trading account, all without spending a single penny. While there are limitations in terms of the number of indicators per chart, saved layouts, alerts, and the presence of ads, the free version offers a fantastic entry point into the world of forex trading analysis. It allows you to learn the ropes, develop your strategies, and get comfortable with technical analysis before potentially considering a paid upgrade for more advanced features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.